Building an AI agency has never been more simple. I'm going to share with you how you can get clients with $10 a day ads and how you can get those clients actual results with simple templated ads and basic automation. I'm going to show you how to build an agency from zero. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to use $10 a day ads to find business owners. Then we're going to offer them a pay per lead program where they pay us $50 to $75 per lead. And then we're going to let AI and software do the fulfillment for us so we don't trade our time for money. Now, if you want to see everything step by step, click by click, because there's a lot of details to doing this, you can grab my mini course right now for just $27 showing you this exact method. But for now, let's get into the video that shows you the main things that you actually need to know. So step number one is we need to create our AI ad. This will be the ad that we use to find business owners interested in our offer. So I'm just going to go over here to trycaptions.com and I'm going to click on the AI creator button. Then I'm going to click on the prompt to video button. And I'm going to type in something like this. So this says an ad targeted towards real estate agents who are interested in seller leads, promoting my offer. We charge $50 per lead they speak to, no setup fees, no contracts, etc., etc. Keep in mind you can use this for any high ticket service-based niche as well. Then I'm going to click on this arrow and now we have our prompt generated. We can refresh it if we need to or edit any of this manually. I'd recommend putting the price in this first line here, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to move forward. So now that we have our script, we have a bunch of different AI avatars we can choose from. And now you can see a preview of the video.
Hey, real estate investors, tired of wasting time and money chasing dead-end leads?
So now that we have our AI ad, step number two is to actually run a Facebook ad. So I'm going to go over here to Facebook and go into the ads manager. I'm going to click on the leads objective. Then I'm going to name my campaign. I'm going to click on ad set budget, click on next. For the conversion location, I'm going to choose instant forms. I'm going to set my daily budget to $10 per day. I'm going to target the entire United States and I'm going to let Facebook's algorithm show the ad to whoever it thinks will be a fit, since my video will do the qualifying. I'm going to initially run the ads on Facebook and Instagram, but I am going to remove audience network. Once I get feedback from the campaign, I'll be able to see which platform is performing better. And if there's a clear winner, I'll duplicate the ad and remove the non-performing placement. Then I'm going to click on next. Now that I've set up the ad set, I'm going to name it something like this. Then I'll click on next. I'll name the ad something like this. I'll turn off multi-advertiser ads. Now we need to create our form to collect leads with. The form type will be more volume. Flexible form delivery will be turned off. Then I'll create a greeting with a headline and the description of the program. Then I'll click next. I'll turn on a few qualifying questions. Click add question, multiple choice. I'll create a question like this and this. I'll make sure they're not optional. I'll write a short description like this. Then I'll make sure I collect their name, email, and phone. Click add category, user information, first name, last name. Click add category, contact field, phone number, and then organize these like this. Click next, then put a link to a privacy policy, create a headline and a description like this. For the additional action, click go to website, then put a link to your calendar, then click create form. Now we need to upload our ad video. Click setup creative, click video ad. Make sure you turn this off and that all of the sizing looks correct. Write the ad copy like this. Turn off all these AI ad generations until you get the hang of what ads are actually performing and know how to run ads properly. Write a headline like this. For the call to action, choose learn more, then click next. Turn off the translate text unless you speak another language, and turn off all these other active enhancements. Then click done and then launch your ad. Then go to GoHighLevelQ.com, link your Facebook and Instagram page, and then connect your new form to the system. Then click on the automation section. I'm going to click on my pre-built template, then write a simple follow-up text like this, and you can even use the write with AI feature to help you write this message. You can do the same thing for follow-up emails and for the follow-up texts. Just don't bombard people with follow-up. The real interested leads are going to respond within a few messages. The only thing that I'll do here is add in a condition to wait for a few minutes to make sure that they haven't booked an appointment already by creating a last appointment at is empty. then saving. That way we're not texting leads that have already booked an appointment and we don't confuse people. I'd even recommend only one text and one email follow-up initially and sending everything manually as follow-up, especially if this is your first few clients you're trying to get. That way you get a feel about what people are responding to, and then you can build the automated follow-up based on that later. Then click save. Now step number 3 is we need to deliver them results. Since we're targeting real estate agents, we need to find proven ads that work for real estate agents. So instead of guessing, we're going to go to the Facebook ads library, click on the housing category and type in the word sell, since those are ads with the keyword sell targeted to people that need to sell their home. We're going to click on the filters. We're going to make sure these are active ads. And then we're going to go back 6 months. Now we can see all the ads that have been running for at least 6 months. And then we're going to pick an ad like this, since it doesn't show the real estate agent's face in the ad or anything that's super unique to the person advertising. This means it's most likely a template that can be duplicated, versus some of these ads have the actual real estate agent in them. And so we don't want to use an ad that has personal branding that isn't proven universally across multiple agents. Then now that you have your ad, you'll do the same process that we did, creating your own ad for leads for them. You'll create their ad, link their form, and then use simple automation like this to follow up with their leads. And you can even use an AI booking bot to qualify their leads and turn them into appointments. And then when someone books an appointment, you can automatically charge them $50 or whatever you choose for that lead. So like I said, there's much more to this, but that gives you a really clear idea of how simple it is to actually create an agency where you get new clients and you get those clients' actual results. But if you want to see everything step by step, I don't want to give this one out completely for free because I want people to actually watch it, implement it, and get results. So I'm launching this mini course for just $27 where I'm going to show you all the things I didn't show you here step by step. And if you'd like, even give you the templates that I create for the course. That way you don't have to build some of this out yourself. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.